Hi there, I'm Elton, and this is the next module in 5 essential tools for building REST APIs, where we'll look at monitoring your API with some tools that make it easy to see what's going on inside your API and help you diagnose problems. When you've designed and built your API, tested and load tested it, you deploy to the production environment, and then you should be able to forget all about it and focus on what you're going to build into the next release. But the reality is you can't do that. Hopefully your API will live in production far longer than it spent in development, and running full time will almost certainly uncover problems that you didn't see during the build phase. Maybe there are bugs in edge case scenarios that weren't tested, so users are getting 500 errors from API calls that should be working perfectly. Or maybe a new deployment has impacted performance for everyone. Whether you're in a DevOps role or providing backup for a dedicated support team, you need to be able to see what's happening inside your API so you can diagnose problems, and monitoring tools will help you find and fix issues before you start losing customers. There's a growing industry providing services which give you insight into what's happening with your API. They've grown from the explosion in cloud hosting and the demand for consistent information across multiple platforms. And because of that, they apply just as well to on-premise or IaaS solutions as they do for hosted PaaS solutions. These tools work by collecting information from your API instances and forwarding it to a central location where it's analysed and presented to you in a useful way. In this module, we'll look at hosted services, logging and instrumentation.